Hello everyone, I am Mohammad Faiz Siddiqui from grade 9, a recent recipient of the DPS STS Merit Scholarship. The joy of getting this scholarship after months of hard work is truly beyond words. I believe that my achievement reflects our school's dedication towards academic excellence and for nurturing our overall growth. The test itself was super fun and evaluated us on our problem-solving skills and knowledge over a broad range of subjects, which I think is very important. I express my heartfelt gratitude to our school and all of my mentors for recognizing and encouraging academic excellence.
We are proud parents of Fayaz, taking a few moments to express our immense pleasure in Fayaz's achievement in academia and extra academic activities, where the role of the DPS STS school, I should say 100%. The Merit Scholarship arranged by the DPS STS school is fantastic opportunities for the students, motivation and in the pride for the parents. A big thanks to DPS STS schools and its management for such type of endeavors.
Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. I am Fayaz's mother, expressing my immense pleasure in Fayaz's achievement in Merit Scholarship. Thanks DPS STS School and its excellent management.
Hello everyone, I'm Ahana Shaha, the winner of the first Merit Scholarship exam. Although it has been 6 months already, the feeling of receiving such a wonderful privilege remains unchanged, especially for my parents. So I just wanted to take a moment to thank DPS for always being at the forefront of academic development and so providing students like me an opportunity to strive for excellence.
Hello everyone, we are the proud parents of Ahana who just wanted to take a moment to express our immense pride in Ahana for receiving the Merit Scholarship from DPS STS School, Dhaka.
It is good to see that DPS STS School celebrates various academic and extracurricular achievements. At present, we are enjoying a Merit Scholarship for our daughter Ahana, and we are very much appreciative of this opportunity. A big thank you to DPS STS School for its encouragement and recognition of the efforts of its students. We are truly appreciative of it.